Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I make over this old chair that I got. So I got this chair at an auction, and as you can see, it's dirty, it's dingy, but we're going to fix that. First thing I'm doing is cleaning the cushion. So this area on the back of the chair is broken, so we are going to fix that. I'm just going to take off the broken piece for now, and then we'll fix that later on. Before painting the piece, I'm going to wipe the chair down with a damp cloth to get all the dirt and dust off of it. I'm using DIY paint for this project. I will list all the materials in the description. For the base coat, I'm using DIY paint in Kissing Booth and Petticoat Pink. Don't forget to paint the bottom of your piece. Now it's time to do some repairs. The chair is wobbly, so I'm going to fix that. I'm using wood filler to fix some of the broken spots on the chair. It's really easy to use. You just apply it, wait for it to dry, sand it, then paint over it. It's pretty easy. I glued a new piece of fabric on the back of the chair. Now onto the second coat of paint. 2 coats is probably just perfect for this piece. We probably wouldn't need a third coat. For the top coat, I'm using DIY paint Bohemian Bright's Passionate. It does have a built-in sealer, so I'm painting the trim of the cushion with this as well. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using Bohemian Brights to paint the fabric. Take a spray bottle and lightly spray your fabric first, then paint your fabric. And here is the finished project. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more.